If you want to organize information quickly in Microsoft Word, bulleted lists are one of the easiest tools to use. In this video, I'll show you how to create bulleted lists in Microsoft Word from scratch, and I'll also show you how to add bullets to existing text in just a few clicks. This is perfect for notes, outlines, checklists, and any document that needs to look clean and easy to read. If this tutorial helps you, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Word tips and productivity guides. Let's jump in. First, open your Words document. Once your document is open, look at the top of the screen and click the Home tab. The Home tab is where you'll find most of the basic formatting tools you need for everyday editing. From there, find the Bullets button. It usually looks like a small dot with lines next to it. Click that Bullets button once and Word will instantly turn on bullet formatting for the line you're working on. Now start typing your first item. As soon as you begin entering text, Word will place it as the first bullet in your list. When you're ready to add the next item, just press Enter on your keyboard. Word will automatically create a new bullet on the next line, so you don't have to manually add each bullet yourself. Then continue typing your list items one by one. Each time you press Enter, Word moves you to a fresh bullet, which makes the whole process fast and very smooth. This is especially useful if you're creating meeting notes, to-do lists, recipe steps, or any kind of structured content where separate points need to stand out. The bullet format helps readers scan information much more easily, and it keeps your document looking neat and professional. Now let's look at the second method, which is adding bullets to text that already exists. If you already typed your content and want to turn it into a bulleted list, simply select the text first. You can do this by clicking and dragging over the lines you want to format. Once the text is highlighted, go back to the Home tab again and click the Bullets button. Word will apply bullets to the selected text right away. This is a great time-saving trick if you forgot to format your list while typing, or if you want to turn a plain paragraph into a cleaner list format after the fact. You can use this method on short notes, grouped ideas, or multiple lines of text that need better organization. And that's really all there is to it. Whether you're starting a new list or formatting text you already wrote, Microsoft Word makes bulleted lists quick and easy. Just remember, go to the Home tab, click Bullets, type your items, and press Enter for each new bullet. If you already have text, highlight it first and then click Bullets to format it instantly. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more Microsoft Word tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.